Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So, the, basically I heard a lot of people talking about business system in Waze. So here is an important detail. Waze does not have like a business claiming feature. Instead, anyone with edit permissions in the area can suggest updates to business locations. Unlike Google Maps, you can verify ownership through a dashboard. Updates rely on community approval. So if people approve, then you got it. First and first, go and add or update a business info through the app. So as you see here, we have this menu here, Planet Drive, inbox settings, and a lot of this whatsoever. There is also this report button. Outside of this, basically in the main screen, it's usually in this right corner. Okay, for example, I'm gonna go ahead, tap on it. No GPS reception, make sure you're outdoors. So basically for you guys, make sure you're outdoors so you can report and add whatever you want. As for the next thing, you can take a photo of the storefront and add the business details, including hours, website, and address. Then submit the updates. Local editors can review and approve your request. You can then update details through the Waze Map Editor. If you need to make larger changes, use the Map Editor on desktop. Locate your business on the map. Update the address, name, category, or even hours. Then add a photo or adjust the pin location. Save and wait for approval from local editors. And here you go. Some people also do like the clear case navigation data, like if users are still being routed to an old location after you have made changes. You can then go to settings, privacy, recent location, find the business and tap the three dot menu and tap on remove. And that's your idea here. Think of watching. They'll see you all in the next video.